Description: moisture, balance. Easily quench and condition your curls with this daily curl conditioner packed with plant extracts and oils that penetrate deep into the hair, restoring and locking in moisture for strong, frizz-free curls. Benefits: great for all curl types. Suggested use: apply conditioner from roots to ends using fingers to detangle hair. Leave in for 3 minutes and rinse. Est.2003. Unite Hair was founded in 2003 on the belief that beautiful hair starts with great products. CEO and founder, Andrew Dale used his experience as a celebrity hairdresser to develop an award-winning, top-performing and easy-to-use collection that caters to all hair types. No bad stuff, just good results. The American-made line contains over 45 versatile and cruelty-free products made without parabens, sodium chloride, sulfates, harsh chemicals and residues. 3.5+ million bottles. So good, the OG product 7 seconds detangler is still a staple since making its debut 17 years ago. To date, the detangler, conditioner and UV plus protectant hybrid has sold 3.5 million bottles and counting. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing for curly hair. Got for my curly-haired daughter and it helps her hair have perfect ringlets without the frizz.